Now we are on part 26 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Alright, the next aspect we'd like to emphasize is internal linking. As you may recall in the past videos, internal linking refers to hyperlinks that connect one page on your website to another. In this specific example, we can observe that the article titled How to Become a Digital Marketing Specialist contains links to other pages on the website. In this specific content, there are also links to pages about SEO specialist, PPC specialist, social media marketing specialist, and digital marketing specialist. The main purpose of internal linking is to connect pages on your website where it makes sense, and in this case, it makes sense because the topic of the content is about becoming a digital marketing specialist. This website is providing other relevant pages on their website that can be useful for individuals interested in pursuing a career in digital marketing. Including internal links on your website is considered a crucial step in optimizing web pages. The main concept behind internal linking is to provide a more natural way for users to navigate through the site without having to rely solely on the top navigation menu. This allows users to move seamlessly from one relevant page or article to another. The primary purpose of link building and internal linking is to assist Google in identifying pages that should be crawled and indexed because of their interconnectivity. However, this strategy also enhances the user experience by allowing users to move seamlessly from one page to another. By utilizing internal linking, Google is notified of the relationship between pages on the website, indicating that a particular page is connected to other pages. Our plan is to index that specific page. The critical aspect of internal linking is to enhance the user experience and enable Google to locate your website pages for crawling and indexing, leading to improved ranking. In addition to internal linking, natural language is also essential. In terms of natural language processing, Google examines the content and relevant keywords to determine their relevance. If your website focuses on digital marketing, attempting to rank for the broad keyword digital marketing is not ideal due to the high competition and vast scope. Instead, it's better to create content with a more specific focus that is relevant to your website's niche. Ideally, it's best to opt for other related keywords that are more natural and relevant to your content. This is where natural language processing comes into play. The goal is to select keywords that are more organic to the content you're creating. Instead of targeting the broad keyword digital marketing, it's better to focus on more specific topics such as the various types of digital marketing, examples of digital marketing, developing a digital marketing strategy, or tips on becoming a digital marketing specialist. These keywords are more appropriate for the content and relate better to digital marketing compared to the broad keyword digital marketing. Using that broad keyword may lead to more competition and a less relevant user experience. Thus, it is crucial to consider other keywords that could be optimized and ranked for, which is where conducting keyword research comes into play. The reason why conducting keyword research is crucial is because it helps us find other relevant keywords in natural language processing that are more fitting for the content. Another aspect of on-page SEO is the sitemap. A sitemap is essentially a comprehensive list of all the pages on your website. The purpose of having a sitemap that lists all the pages in one document is to assist both users and search engines in comprehending the layout of your website. There are two types of sitemaps, an HTML map for humans and an XML map for crawlers. If a website has a lot of content, it's a good idea to include a link to the sitemap in the footer so users can see all the pages in an organized way. The XML map is formatted for crawlers. The main purpose to remember is that Google crawls and indexes content, so we need to create a sitemap in XML format for search engine crawlers. To illustrate, let me give you an example using this website. If you enter sitemap.xml after the website's URL, you will see a page displaying two XML sitemaps. This is important because it helps search engines understand the structure of your website and crawl all the pages efficiently. These sitemaps serve the purpose of enabling Google to crawl and index all the pages on your website by providing a list of those pages. This makes it a fast and convenient way for Google to access all the content you want to be found for with the keyword you desire. In essence, SEO is about ensuring that Google indexes all your desired content, and this begins with the creation of a sitemap. To give you a quick overview, on-page SEO involves optimizing various website elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, URLs, headers, keywords in content, internal linking, and sitemap updates to increase relevance for specific keywords. However, on-page SEO alone is not sufficient for ranking, and so we need to discuss off-page SEO as well. Both on-page and off-page SEO strategies are essential for achieving a page ranking. No matter how much effort you put into on-page SEO, you still require off-page SEO and vice versa. These two strategies work hand in hand, and you need both of them to rank well. So, now let's move on to off-page SEO aspect, which involves promoting your website through link building. Now, there are two types of links, internal and external linking. To enhance the credibility and relevance of our website, we will utilize external linking in off-page SEO, which differs from internal linking utilized in on-page SEO. By doing so, we want Google to perceive our website as trustworthy, recognized by other websites, and relevant to a particular keyword. If we can achieve this using off-page SEO techniques, Google will rank our website higher for that targeted keyword. To put it differently, off-page SEO is essentially link building, and there are numerous possibilities for link building as long as a proper strategy is developed. Besides the advantages of credibility, trustworthiness, and relevance as we previously discussed, there are other benefits to off-page SEO. For instance, having a link on a repeatable website is likely to boost traffic to our own website, and it can enhance our domain authority. To clarify, when I say high domain authority, it means that having links from other websites pointing to our website will increase our website's authority. This increase in authority will make other websites more likely to link to us. So, the more external links we have, the higher our domain authority will be. To begin with off-page SEO, we need to link our website to other websites that have high domain authority. For instance, having a link on Wikipedia that points to our website creates high domain authority for us and also drives traffic. This linking strategy not only boosts our website's credibility, but also helps in increasing our page rank. You need to keep in mind that external linking is crucial for building domain authority, credibility, trustworthiness, and ultimately improving page ranking. A good off-page SEO strategy includes link building can also increase brand awareness, as having links on high authority websites and social platforms will bring more attention to our brand. This increased brand awareness leads to greater trustworthiness, which means people may be more likely to search for our brand name when looking for a digital marketing specialist, rather than just searching for the generic term digital marketing specialist on Google. These benefits are what off-page SEO offers, which is simply having links on other websites pointing back to our website. The advantages of off-page SEO include driving traffic to our website, increasing our authority, and improving our rankings. Therefore, it's crucial to use these benefits to our advantage. The key to successful off-page SEO or link building is creating high-quality content. To optimize a website for relevant keywords and rank well in search results, high-quality content is important for both on-page SEO and off-page SEO strategies. Off-page SEO involves having other websites, social platforms, or blogging sites link back to ours, and having good content is essentially for this. Original, well-structured, and natural content is more likely to be linked back to, and that is the core idea behind off-page SEO. Without quality content, it is impossible to have links on other websites. So, in addition to creating good content, spending time on other websites is also important for off-page SEO. Recall the earlier example about the ice cream blog and recipes. It would be beneficial to spend time on other blogs that are related to desserts, cakes, food in general, vegetables, or anything that people might link from. The idea is to identify other relevant content creators with whom you can share your content and vice versa. This is how it works naturally. In today's digital age, there are various types of websites available that generate a vast amount of content, from social media to forums and discussion boards such as Reddit. As a content creator or website owner, it's essential to identify and determine which platforms are more relevant to your content. This step is crucial in ensuring that you target the right audience and generate the desired traffic to your website. In line with this, social media is an excellent avenue for external linking, and it goes beyond the usual Facebook or Twitter. The possibilities are endless, and it's worth exploring other social media platforms to maximize the reach of your content. For instance, if you're on a blog or website about ice cream recipes, You may want to look for other blogs or websites that share similar content or are related to desserts, food in general, or even healthy eating. Once you've identified these platforms, you can try to get external links to your content on these sites, which can increase your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Reaching out to other bloggers or content creators for an external link may seem daunting, but it can be a rewarding experience. Not only it can be a safe form of flattery, but also shows your commitment to your content and your audience's satisfaction. Ultimately, having external links from relevant and authoritative sources can significantly impact your website's end-user experience, credibility, and search engine rankings. If you include a person who runs a cake blog and link to their website in your blog post, it is acceptable because it enhances the user's experience. However, if you want someone to link to your website externally, you should be receptive and willing to reciprocate by linking to their content on your website. This is how the internet operates, especially if the content is high quality, relevant, and ethical. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 27.